Yeezy Boost 350 V2 blue tint. Your boy didn't hit on them. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. The shoe, I'm not too crazy about the shoe, but when it comes to Yeezy 350s, I try my best to get them, to put a raffle in, even if I'm not crazy about the shoe. But when it comes to Yeezys, you know, they hard to get. The 350s I'm talking about. It's hard to get. I just can't believe I ain't hit on them because I put a lot of raffles in for them. My account, my wife's account, and I didn't hit. Again, I'm not too crazy about this particular shoe. The shoe look like the zebras. I had the zebras. It's not a bad looking shoe. According to StockX, my size 12 is going for $337. So the resale value up there, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not tripping. Your boy didn't get them. If you got them, let me know. Drop a comment. I will respond. But the shoes are alright. It's a Yeezy 350. You know what I'm saying? So wouldn't mind having those in the collection. Don't have them. It is what it is. Let's move on.